In the last decade or so, हमने 2012 में travel करना शुरू किया, so 2012 से 2022 and now it's a bit more than a decade. Tourism has literally exploded by a million-fold. The reason I say million-fold is because I very clearly and distinctly remember कि 2012 में we used to be one of the only commercial company जो कि 3 coasters लेकर ना हुंजा या गिलगित या स्कर्दू चले जाते थे. Everyone else was maybe one highest, maybe half a coaster, something like that. We literally saw the Karakoram highway built in front of us. Like हम लोग एक महीने में 2-3 दफ़ा हम लोग जाते थे. So we could see the difference कि अच्छा पिछले 2 हफ्ते पहले जब हम आए थे तो ये वाला पैच नहीं बना हुआ था, अब ये पैच बन गया है. So we saw kilometer by kilometer of all of that road being constructed in front of us. Fast forward, now you have literally millions of tourists going to these areas during the summer time. ठीक है? So tourism has वो जिसको कहते हैं ना literally explosion हुई है. There is nothing metaphorical about it. There used to be a few hotels, गिनती के कुछ hotels होते थे in areas के अंदर. Now there are guest houses upon guest houses. Everyone who had a house which was facing the street, main street or a main road has converted 2 or 3 rooms into a guest house. ठीक है? Massive commercialization has happened. किसी के पास कोई खाली plot था, उसने वहाँ पे guest house construct कर लिया. Goes for Hunza. Goes for a lot of basically Hunza से आगे अब तो commercialization Hunza, Pasu, Gulmet, all of these places have become massively commercialized. The last few years Kumrat has exploded quite a bit. शुरू में initially Kumrat used to be just a few places camp करते थे आप. Now Kumrat has seen a lot of hotel construction along that way, but it has also become a bit expensive as well. Initially when we used to take our tours it used to be very cost effective, but now the costs have exploded so much given fuel का तो already बढ़ ही गया है, but hoteling, cost of transportation, cost of hoteling, cost of food, everything has exploded so much that the tours which we used to take now cost easily 3 times more. Easily 3 times more.